you boys to drink? We have 2 cold ones. You guys.
Wow.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, what the torment?
Oh, sir, are you okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here, let me get you another cold one, sir. That'll be just 1 second. You okay?
This is
Hey, wait up.
straight class. I have an 80.
Oh, yeah.
What animal is in the back?
I don't know. That could be my wife.
I'll put it there. Yeah.
All right.
I'll have Jiggler.
All right. And for you, sir, I'll have the elephant, please. All right, you got it.
Salt.
Dumbo, how you doing today, buddy? You mind if I borrow that, sir?
Yeah, this is the M16 automatic.
All right. Boy, it shoots. It shoots.
Take it easy, yo.
All right, let me see. That'll do.
Yeah, boy. Cheers. Ugh. My bottle broke.
Alrighty then.
Oh, yeah.
Well, what's that stuff on there? It's all red.
That's the aiming utensil.
I thought it was blood.
Can I see that shotgun chip you have out there?
What?
Shotgun chip.
Oh, those. No, I can't pull those out yet.
Oh yeah, the facility. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is with this beer?
I'm not sure. Well, I give up.
That's special stuff.
Oh yeah, it's very special.
Oh, okay.
What's it called? It'll make you feel like nothing you've ever seen.
Piacion. Oh, I heard of this. Piacion.
Yep.
Buddy.
It's PRC, man.
I love Piacion.
Alright. You enjoy.
You're pretty.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Mama, what you doing in there again?
Pepper.
Oh, I forgot my pepper. Oh, shoot.
Eat it.
Alright, well, just add it in there.
Oh, chicken nugget.
Oh.
Nothing but nut.
Oh. Hey, sir. What you want? What you want? Can we have our bill? Oh, yeah. Hold on, Mom.
It's crack. Yeah, I got a big truck.
Will they get poisoned?